if we did achieve interplanetary colonization, or find ourselves staying on a space station indefinitely, then what would we eat? Freeze-dried rations would only last for so long, and we haven't found plants growing on any planet we've explored so far. So it's taken some ingenious and complicated science to figure out a solution, which has led to the birth of Genesis, a conceptual ecological life support system that can grow food independently from Earth. Bart Womack, CEO of Eden Grow Systems, laid the foundation of this technology back in the 1970s by recycling human waste into food and oxygen for astronauts on missions. Genesis is developing this idea by using energy from sunlight, wind, and biogas in an enclosed habitat that can provide comfortably for a family of 4. So far, Eden Grow Systems have designed 6-foot-tall towers, which can grow crops and breed fish using hydroponic and aquaponic methods. They can do this by growing plants in nutrient-rich liquids to replace soil, and along with some water and LED lights to support the plant's photosynthesis, edible foods are harvested. By perfecting this environment, the systems also maximize the nutritional value of the crop while using as little energy as possible. Womack also hopes that Genesis could be used for remote outposts on Earth too, including areas subject to disaster and famine. Let's hope these crops taste as good as the technology behind them. It's a Sierra way of life. When you think about what human habitats in space look like, most of us imagine cylindrical metal tubes and cramped spaces. Most of us don't imagine a big, white, beach ball-looking thing. And yet, that's exactly what the Sierra Life habitat is serving. It's a large, inflatable structure designed as a human habitation module in the vacuum of space. This could make interplanetary living a lot simpler logistically, as it's designed to expand after it's gone into orbit, making it easier to launch and transport than something that requires construction. From afar,